Median. When studying cancers such as bladder cancer, sometimes a healthcare professional will want to determine the median or the middle value in a set of sorted numbers. The median is often important to determine because it helps eliminate outliers. An outlier is when something occurs that is rare. So let's look at an example. We have Xander is a medical researcher studying the average age that a person may develop bladder cancer. What is the average age that a person may be diagnosed with bladder cancer? So here are the results from the chart. So when we find the weighted mean, remember we will multiply these numbers like line by line together. So 1 times 11 is 11. 62 times 1 is 62. 69 times 2 is 138. 70 times 3 is 210. 73 times 4 is 292. 75 times 5 is 375. 81 times 2 is 162. 82 times 2 is 164. Now, when we add up all these numbers, which is step 2 from the last lesson, we get 1,414. Now step 3, we add up the number of patients, which is 20. Then step 4, we take from step 2 and divide the number by step 3. So 14 divided by 20 is equal to 70.7. So our weighted mean is 70.7. Now, if you have any problems with what we just did, go back and look at the video from 4.1c on weighted mean. But right here, we just really want to get to the number for weighted mean. Now we're going to look to find the median. So when we find the median, we were going to write out all the numbers in one line. So we would have 11, 62 once, 69 twice, then we have 73 times, then we have 73 4 times, 75 5 times, then we have 81 and 82. And we're going to have to put that last 82 on right below it. So we had 20 numbers across. Now we're going to cut this in half. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So let's count. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to draw a line in between. And then we're going to make sure we have 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So the median is this number between. So to find it, since we have an even number on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, we would add the two numbers together and then divide by 2, which will get us back to the same number, 73. So, and if you don't believe me, let's just do this real quick. We go 73 plus 73 equals 146. Now divided by 2, which gets us the average, back to 73. So the median is 73, but the weighted mean is 70.7. And the reason why the weighted mean is lower is because we have that outlier of 11, which is weighing it down. So to find the median, the first thing we do is rewrite the numbers in order from smallest to largest. 2, we find the middle number. If there is no middle number, we find the 2 middle numbers. We're going to add the numbers together, and then we're going to divide the numbers by 2. So let's look at another example. Yolanda specializes in treating patients who have developed bladder cancer after working in an industry with high exposure to harmful chemicals. Here are the ages of the patient. Let's find the median age of Yolanda's patients. So we will need to write these numbers, but in a sorted way. So we would start from the smallest to the largest. So let's do that. So we have our lowest number here is 55. So we would write 55. Then we would go 57. Then 62. And if you want, you can just cross these out once you've dealt with them. 62. Then we have 69. Then we have 72. Cross that out. 74. And then we have another 74. Then we have 77, 87, and 92. Perfect. So now let's count the number of patients. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will need to divide this in half. So we have 5. On the left-hand side, we'll need 5 on the right-hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just smack down right that in the middle because we have 5 numbers now on the right as well. So we have 2 numbers in the middle, 72 and 74. So let's add these numbers together and then divide by 2 to get our median. So this will be 72 plus 74 equals 146 divided by 2 to give us 73. So this is our median age. So remember, you will want to find the median when there is a result in your data that is an outlier or an unusual occurrence. To find the median, you can write out the numbers in numerical order and find the middle number. If there's no middle number, you need to add the 2 middle numbers together and then divide by 2, and this will give you the median.